What if I told you Vivo is about to shake the mid-premium smartphone market again, but this time there is something different. For the first time ever, Vivo is introducing an elite model in the V series. Yes, the Vivo V70 and the Vivo V70 Elite, and trust me, some of these leaks are genuinely exciting. According to reliable industry sources, the Vivo V70 series is expected to launch in mid-February 2026, most likely between February 16 and 19, starting from India. And other global markets, the launch could follow by March or April 2026. So if you are planning to upgrade your smartphone soon, you might want to pause and wait, because the big question is it actually worth waiting for? Let's talk about pricing. Leaks suggest the Vivo V70 could start at around 28,999 rupees, while the V70 Elite may range between 35,000 to 49,999 rupees. Globally, that places these phones between $350 to $600. Sounds reasonable, but price alone does not define value. Design does. Both phones are expected to feature a 6.59-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, ultra-thin bezels, and an insane 52,000 nits peak brightness. Yes, 5000. Add HDR support, over a billion colors, and an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, and suddenly this does not feel like a mid-range phone anymore. On top of that, leaks also suggest IP68 and even IP69 water and dust resistance, which clearly pushes this series into premium territory. Now let's talk about performance, because this is where things get interesting. The Vivo V70 is expected to use the Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 processor, which is efficient and reliable, but not revolutionary. However, the Vivo V70 Elite steps up with the Snapdragon 8 chipset designed for heavy gaming, advanced AI processing, and long-term performance. This has already sparked debate. Is the standard V70 powerful enough, or is Vivo saving all the real power only for elite users? Portrait photography. Vivo is clearly targeting photography lovers, and this might be the reason many people forgive the chipset difference. Battery life also looks impressive. A massive 6500 mAh battery paired with 90-watt fast charging means battery anxiety might finally disappear. On the software side, the Vivo V70 series is expected to run Android 16 with long-term support, offering 4 years of OS updates and 6 years of security patches, which is a big win for long-term users. So here is the final question. Is the Vivo V70 series a game changer or a risky experiment? Will the Elite model elevate the V series or divide its audience? We will find out very soon. If you want to stay ahead of every major smartphone launch, tap the next video on your screen where I cover all upcoming smartphones of 2026. Don't miss it, and I will see you in the next on